Shabbat Shalom. I'd like to read to you this morning a psalm that I consider the best loved poem in all of literature. Not just spiritual literature or religious literature, but all of literature. And you know it all too well. It's Psalm 23. This was picked out for me to read a week ago, so I don't want you to think I came up with this in light of the recent circumstances. Before I read it, there's a story that circulated for a long time. I can't tell you if it's legend or truth, but it was about an actor, Shakespearean actor in England, who gave great orations. And at the end of his orations, he would read Psalm 23 as only a Shakespearean actor could read. And he would always get a rousing applause. And this one particular evening, he read Psalm 23, but he invited an old preacher up to read it. And this is what the old preacher said. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He has me lie down in grassy pastures. He leads me by quiet waters. He restores my inner person. He guides me in right paths for the sake of his own name. Even if I pass through death's dark ravines, I will fear no disaster, for you are with me. Your rod and staff reassure me. You prepare a table for me even as my enemies watch. You anoint my head with oil from an overflowing cup. Goodness and grace will pursue me every day of my life, and I will live in the house of the Lord for years and years to come. When he finished reading, many people got teary-eyed. And the young boy asked the stage actor, how come when you read, people clapped, and when the old preacher read, some people cried? The stage actor said to the little boy, I know the psalm. He knows the shepherd. I hope and pray that you know the shepherd today and all the days of your life. Father, thank you for setting aside a day, a very special day, that you set aside not for your purposes, sadly enough, for our purposes. As Yeshua said, Shabbat was made for man, not man for Shabbat. Sad, Father, how few take advantage, true advantage of it, even in our community. But I thank you for it. It was in wisdom and love that you gave it to us as a gift. I plan to take full advantage of it today, Father, to rest in you. And Father, I thank you for all the dearly departed souls who have gone before us, who have enriched our lives, and who have blessed us. May those united with you rest in peace. It's in Yeshua's name I pray. Amen. Shabbat Shalom, guys.